Are you still stuck on the sugar roller coaster, feeling sluggish after every meal? It is time to discover a better way to fuel your life. Before we dive into today's insights, make sure to subscribe to Gloriase and turn on all notifications. By joining our community, you'll ensure you never miss a guide on optimizing your wellness and staying consistent with your health goals. Welcome to the Avocado Protocol. I am going to show you 5 ways to switch your body from burning sugar to burning fat for lasting energy. This is all about metabolic flexibility, the incredible ability of your body to seamlessly switch between glucose and fat as its primary fuel source. Way number 1, build a healthy fat foundation. Avocados, olive oil, and nuts provide high-quality fats that signal your brain to stop craving sugar. By prioritizing these fats, you are teaching your metabolism to recognize fat as a reliable and steady energy supply rather than relying on quick carbs. Way number 2, low glycemic pairing. Instead of using processed spreads like mayo, try replacing them with creamy avocado in your wraps and sandwiches. This simple swap prevents insulin spikes, keeping your blood sugar stable throughout the afternoon and preventing that dreaded post-lunch energy crash. Way number 3, intermittent fasting support. Many people struggle with hunger during fasting windows, but the right fats can make it effortless. Consuming healthy fats before or after your window helps sustain your energy and focus, making the transition to fat burning much smoother and more comfortable. Way number 4, the anti-inflammatory boost. Avocados are rich in antioxidants that help reduce systemic inflammation, which is key for a healthy metabolism. When your body produces ketones from these healthy fats, it actually triggers cellular repair mechanisms that keep your internal engine running at peak efficiency. Way number 5, potassium for performance. Did you know avocados have more potassium than bananas? This is crucial for maintaining your electrolyte balance. Proper potassium intake prevents the so-called keto flu and keeps your muscles fueled, ensuring you have the strength to perform your best every day. To recap, focus on healthy fats, swap processed carbs for avocado, use fats to support fasting, reduce inflammation, and prioritize your essential electrolytes. Which of these 5 steps will you start today? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more metabolic hacks. Unlock your body's true potential with the Avocado Protocol. We will see you in the next video for more tips on living your healthiest life.